You know that moment when a bite hits every corner of your tongue and your brain goes, "Hold up, what just happened?" That's Vietnamese food at its best. Light, fresh, and unapologetically powerful. Today, I'm diving into must-try dishes that will blow your mind. First up, pho, the national icon, sure, but don't underestimate it. This isn't just soup. It's a 12-hour love letter of beef bones, chicken bones, charred onion, ginger, star anise. The works. A squeeze of lime, herbs that wake you up, a whisper of chili. Hanoi keeps it clean and focused. Saigon piles on the herbs and options. The shocker. The broth's depth sneaks up on you, way more complex than it looks. Banh mi. That first crunch, pure music. A shattering baguette cradling pork, pâté, pickled carrots, pickled daikon, cucumber, cilantro, a swipe of chili. It's the ultimate fusion. French technique, Vietnamese soul. Crunchy, spicy, savory, fresh, in one ridiculous bite. Goi quan, fresh spring rolls that are anything but basic. Rice paper hugging shrimp, pork, vermicelli, herbs. Dip into peanut sauce or hoisin sauce and it's light, cool, and wildly flavorful. Healthy without ever feeling diet. That's the magic. Bun cha, Hanoi's smoky secret. Grilled pork patties, caramelized pork belly. A bowl of warm, sweet, salty dipping broth. A tangle of rice noodles. Build your bite. Smoky, sweet, salty, fresh, all layered, all balanced. Bun bo hue, pho's bolder cousin. A lemongrass and chili broth that's rich but laser bright. Thick round noodles, beef slices, often pork. It's intensity with discipline, the kind of bowl that wakes you up at first slurp. Banh xio, get your hands ready. A crackly rice flour crepe stuffed with shrimp, pork, bean sprouts. Snap a piece. Wrap it in lettuce with herbs. Dunk in fish sauce. It's texture overload. Crispy shell, juicy filling, cool greens. Sao Lao, Hoi An's treasure. Thick, chewy noodles, slices of pork, herbs, crunchy croutons, a savory splash. Traditionally tied to local well water. It's geography on a plate. Che to finish. Dessert with a plot twist. Sweet soups and puddings. Beans, jellies, fruits, coconut milk. Hot version. Iced version. It's playful, layered, and totally different from Western sweets. Textures you didn't know you wanted. Bottom line, Vietnamese food is a masterclass in balance. Fresh herbs, savory depth, bright acidity, heat that taps, not slaps. Most cuisines go heavy to impress. This one stays light and still hits like a drum. Land in Vietnam, follow the aromas, and let your taste buds do the sightseeing.